Wood lagging and soldier pile are commonly found on a job site as a means of a temporary retaining wall. And sometimes you actually have to pour a concrete wall up against that wood lagging structure. And to do that, you need some form of attachment of your form system to that structure. Now, a Steel Dog Coil Lag provides that attachment by using a 1/2-inch coil thread connection. A Steel Dog Coil Lag features a 3/4 inch by 5-inch lag screw that can be fastened to any wood lagging structure. The other end is a 1/2-inch swiveling coil loop, offering a universal connection point to 1/2-inch coil rod. Installation is easy. Simply drill a pilot hole in the wood lagging at each intended tie location and screw the coil lag into the wood using an impact wrench. You can then attach your formwork using standard 1/2-inch coil rod. For a pilot hole on the coil lags, you're going to want to use a 9/16 drill bit. And if it's really soft wood, you can go down to a 1/2-inch bit. You certainly don't want to go over a 9/16 inch bit. To screw in the wood lags, you're probably going to want to use an impact driver because a 3/4 inch lag bolt is pretty substantial, and often you're going to be going into some pretty hard wood. So you want to use an 1 1/8" socket. That's the size of the head you've got on the wood lag. And sometimes if you have a really hard wood like an oak, it helps to actually use some wax or even dish soap to lubricate the bolt itself. So I've got some tap wax here, and you just lube up the threads a little bit, and that'll really encourage the screw into the wood. The load rating on a coil lag depends greatly on the wood that you're fastening to. Harder woods such as oak are going to carry a much higher load rating than softer woods like pine. The safe working load ultimately of the part is 3,000 pounds. And like I said, it varies up and down depending on the species of the wood. Refer to our load rating charts if you want to get a good idea of what you can expect to get out of the part. We also make a lot of variations of the coil lag, so if you're using a larger form system that utilizes 3/4 inch coil rod or 15mm Dewey dag rod, we make a coil lag that'll accept those thread forms as well. And if you're using waterproofing on your wood lagging, we make a longer lag bolt. Now for more information, you can go to steel-dog.com.